Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful meal idea for you today. Now, I am starving, all right? And you see how I always do. When I'm hungry, I like to be in the kitchen. So today I want to show you a wonderful recipe, and it's an avocado tuna salad. Now, if you check out my other video on the avocado stuffed tuna, it was delicioso. Okay, check that video out where I made a stuffed avocado with tuna. But this is going to be in a salad form that you can actually make as a side salad or as a meal. So this is wonderful, and it's for weight loss. A healthy way for you to stay on your journey with meal ideas. So I'm going to give you some ideas, okay? I'm going to give you some ideas. To start this off, you're going to need one large English cucumber. You're also going to need some cilantro. Of course, you know you're going to need your tuna. You're going to need a small piece of red onion. You're going to need 2 to 3 large avocados. You're also going to need the juice of a lemon, some kosher salt, some black pepper, and you're going to need some extra virgin olive oil. Okay? And lastly, you're going to need a bowl. So that's what we're going to be working from today, our bowl. What we're going to start off with is our avocados. So we're going to slice them and get them ready for our salad. Okay. Okay. What you can do with the avocados is to start cubing it from inside of the shell. Then you're going to take your spoon and we're going to scoop them right inside of our dish. Now this is still kind of firm, so I just need to loosen it up a little bit. Usually it comes out like clockwork, but of course, you know, this is video, so it got to act up. So let's just take out the seed of our avocado, and you're going to discard that. And you're going to do the same thing with your shell. You're just going to make some cuts and slices, okay, all the way to the bottom part of the shell. And again, you're going to repeat with scooping it out. All right, and just scoop that out inside of your bowl. Okay. Now I'm going to finish doing the rest off camera. Okay, but you're going to repeat the process all the way until you finish all of your avocados. Okay. Okay, so we have our avocados in there, and next what I want to do is chop up my cilantro. Now this recipe only calls for 1/4 cup of cilantro. You're just going to add that into your avocado salad. Okay, next we're just going to use a small red onion, and you're just going to dice up a small piece. This is basically to taste, so for those of you who really like the taste of onions in your salad, you know, you can use as much as you want, as less as you want, but this is great flavoring for your salad. So I'm just going to slice up a nice little small piece of onions. and nice. Now we're going to put that inside of our salad as well. Okay. Now we're going to work on our English cucumber. They usually come wrapped in plastic, but I still like to wash my fruits and vegetables because you don't know who is handling your stuff. So I'm going to wash this and come right back. Toss that in there. So our salad, our cucumbers are ready. Now I'm just going to open my can of tuna and mash it. Okay, and we're just going to toss that in there. Next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of our extra virgin olive oil. And it smells so good, you guys. And we're going to take our lemon. We're just going to use the juice of the lemon, and we're going to do 2 tablespoons. But basically, it's to taste, you know. I'm just going to toss this up a little bit. And look how wonderful that looks, you guys. And next we're just going to flavor it to taste with our kosher salt. And lastly, with our black pepper. Okay, and you just toss it up, and your salad is done. Look how delicious that looks. Oh my goodness. So you have a wonderful tuna avocado salad, which is so healthy to eat. Like I said, you can have this as a side dish, or you can have this along as a meal. And I'm ready for lunch. And it is ready, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful lunch idea for you to have. You can have this as a meal. You can also have this as a side dish, all right? And until the next Cooking It Up video, I will see you then. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you want to see more wonderful, healthy ideas, substitutes, whatever it is, let me know down below, and I got you. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.